Hey there, DailyDAVers.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. So yesterday was focused on the pre-sale still, as well as coordinating the publication of our Medium blog post profiling our new CCO, John. Today, I'm still in pre-sale mode, and I will also be preparing for our weekly communications call and preparing for a call with another potential advisor. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys. So yesterday, Tyler and I had a conference call with Ozarian, the robots company with which we're going to create a POC for the drone rescue scenario. And I continued to create another communication protocol for the delivery insurance, better call it cargo insurance communication protocol. And I continued working on it today and deepened the research there also together with Andrew. So this will be basically the main focus today. Thanks, guys.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alick here. I'm on the rooftop of our beautiful office. And today, my day is going amazing. What we're doing, we actually had a creative meeting this morning discussing a potential collaboration towards our upcoming crowd sale. For our DAV Alliance, I'm organizing a field trip. Me and Tal will go to see a potential DAV Alliance member here in Israel. I'll give you more updates soon. Bye.
Hey, good morning. So yesterday we had a great meeting with a firm from Hong Kong. I then worked on a robotics platform we're doing for drone search and rescue together with one of our partners. And I made a little bit of progress on our smart contracts. Today I'm focused on our communication protocols. Lior has made a lot of progress over the last couple of weeks on those, and today we're reintegrating it all back into the developer portal so we can release it. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Parda here. So first off, I hope everybody in the US on the western side saw the beautiful blood moon this morning. I'm not sure if you could see it elsewhere, but it was really beautiful. You had to wake up early though. It was around 6 a.m., 5:30 a.m. I woke up to see it. It was very, very pretty. Anyway, back to business. So yesterday I did a bunch of work on the website, made sure that all the adjustments are being made with the brand redesign. Also did a bunch of work with the page strategy. That's been pretty time intensive. Been going back and forth with our partner on that several times a day. Just a lot of feedback around different ads and different placement and everything there. So a lot of good progress there. Also had a good team meeting yesterday, which led to a lot more action items we had to go ahead and put into effect yesterday and today. Today, main focus, as it's been all week, has been around page strategy and around the website. So making very good headway, very good progress. Really happy with the development team and all the great work they're doing on the website. Really happy with our head of design and all the great work he's been doing. So I think everyone's going to be in for a treat. I think when we go ahead and launch the website, we're shooting for Tuesday of next week. So you guys got to hold me to that. But all great things as always, and looking forward to the new brand and everything else that's coming down the pipeline. Nothing but exciting times. Thanks everybody. Have a good one.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I made a new homepage our site. I used new icons, colors, fonts and images. I changed the illustrations and made a few variants homepage. Today I'll plan work about section our team. I added taglines and a few new advisors in the section. Also I'll fix a roadmap and added a new section. After then I'll make new deal sheet Asian Syndicate. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so today I worked on some research and written collateral for some investor relations material. I also worked on an extensive announcement through our PR firm. Hopefully we'll see that go out in a few days. I also reached out to some potential people and organizations that we'd like to onboard to the DAV Alliance. Did so much talking today, I think my voice is starting to go. So I have an early morning call with our PR firm. So I'm going to sign off for the night. I will see you guys next time.